Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into a key fob protector, and this is because I just recently bought a 2020 Kia Telluride. Sorry about that, my heater just kicked on, but hopefully it's not too loud. I just bought a 2020 Kia Telluride in December of 2019. Absolutely love it. Never in my life did I think I would own a Kia, not because they're bad, but because in the past, I've always been a Chevy guy. And Kia has came a long ways in the last few years, and they're doing some great things. The Kia Telluride is actually built in Georgia, and I'll be doing a review on the vehicle itself, so stay tuned for that. But today we're going to be going into the ONTTO, and then it's top brand car key case. I bought this on Amazon for $20. I thought it was a really cool design. I really like this key fob already, so I really thought this was kind of a nice little deal. So it comes packaged really nicely. You get a little thank you note and everything. The case comes in here, and this is available in a few different colors. You can get black carbon fiber, red carbon fiber, flat black, flat blue, flat red, a few different colors. So I'll try and link it down in the description for you guys if you're interested, if you have a Kia Telluride. I'm not sure if any other Kias have this same fob design. I think this fob design is really cool. I like how the buttons are all on the side and the key is built into the bottom of it. So other than that, you will get a little baggie of screws. These things are tiny. They provide you with 5. It requires 4 to assemble, so you do have a spare. They provide you with this small screwdriver, as well as like a travel screwdriver. You unscrew both ends. You got a flat head in this side, and what do you think is in the other side? Yep, you're right, it's a Phillips head. So that's a nice little addition. And it comes in this nice little foam case. So other than that, that's everything that's included in the case. I have already installed mine. I just kind of wanted to show what the key fob looks like without the case. This is my spare key. And then with the case. It's nice and slim. It doesn't make it really any bulkier than it already is. Slim 2-piece design. It splits right down the middle. It's basically seamless. You can't really tell it's even 2 pieces. You can see the 2 screws in the top, and then there are 2 screws in the bottom that hold the pieces together. And it is I think they said a zinc alloy, so it is a metal, and it almost looks like it's hydro dipped with carbon fiber. So, and it's really clean carbon fiber. Try not to get so much glare on it, but and then you get this leather strap at the bottom with a key ring. Now, one thing I do want to point out is this key ring, I try and keep as little as possible on my keys. So I just have one key on here, and it is fairly good size, but it is tight on here. I mean, it's pretty tight on this key ring. So you might either use a regular key ring on here or attach another key ring onto this one, whatever you want. But I do like that it's spring loaded, and let's say you have multiple keys on there, it is easy to remove and everything, so that's nice. But it is pretty thick for a key ring, and then it is just held on by, it's a leather strap, and you got this button here that slides over the leather, and it kind of comes out. And I like how it's formed around the keyhole at the bottom where your key normally comes out at. So I do like that, and it makes sure to hold it all together and everything. So even if for some reason the screws came out and the thing fell apart, it's not going anywhere. You shouldn't lose it, so everything's still attached to the original key fob. But that's a look at it. I really like it. I hope anybody that has a Kia Telluride, or anybody that has a key fob like this and is interested in this key fob case, I hope this video was helpful, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you guys in the next one.